Okay, today we're going to do a review of place value and exponents. Let's quickly go over place value. If I have this number, I want you to write that on your paper under your title. Let's first say this number. I want you to think about it for a moment. After you've written it, I want you to be able to say this number. And then we'll talk about each place value. You ready? 1,289,623 and 89 hundredths. Okay, so remember that decimal point represents what? And. So I'm going to put a note on my paper about that. That is and. And then after the decimal place, our first decimal is what place? The tenths. And remember those numbers have that THS on the end. Tenths. We don't have any ones, right? It starts with tenths. Our next digit would be what? What place? Hundredths. Does it stop there, or could we keep going? We can keep going, right? So what would be the next place? If I was going to reveal, not add, because adding changes the value, but reveal a zero, because every number has infinite amount of zeros, right? This does not change its value. So if I was going to reveal a zero here, what place would this be?
The thousands.
The thousands, right? Give yourself 2 snaps for your brain. You guys are remembering that. So this would be the thousands. Looking at this, which is greater, tenths or hundredths? Right?
Yeah.
Tenths is greater than
Hundreds.
and if tenths is greater than hundredths, then hundredths is greater than what?
Thousands.
The hundredths is greater than the thousands. And that kind of tricks your brain, right? Because on the other side of the decimal, obviously hundredths are greater than tens, right? But if we're talking about this, the right side of the decimal, then it's getting smaller as you go. A trick to remember how to say decimal, and this is a star. Every time we put a star in our journal, it means that's something we really have to remember. Our trick is, say my name, then my place. And what this means, if I was to look at this number, what is the name of this number? We have 8, 9, and a 0. How would we say that? 890, right? My name is 890, and then I end with my place. What place is it in?
Thousands.
Thousands. So 890 thousandths. So say my name, then my place. Okay, so that's our review of decimals, place value. Now we're